With the YouCanBookMe Chrome extension, you can streamline scheduling right from your browser. Whether you're managing meetings, appointments, or quick check-ins, YouCanBookMe helps you stay organized whenever you're online. Getting started is easy. Just install the YouCanBookMe Chrome extension and pin it to your Chrome browser, and then you're ready to go. From the Chrome toolbar, access powerful features designed to make scheduling effortless. You can view your upcoming meetings, or you can use the following features to share your availability. You can copy your booking link right here in your Chrome browser. You can create a one-time booking link for somebody to utilize. Or you can use the Suggest Times feature to give suggested times in an email directly to your potential booker. Let's show you how. When you select the Suggested Times option, it'll ask you what kind of meeting you would like to share. For this example, let's do a standard meeting of 30 minutes. Now, did you know that inserting suggested meeting times into your emails can actually increase your booking rates by up to 13 times? That's an incredible amount. So let me show you how. First, you're going to pick what days you would like to suggest times for. Perhaps I would like to recommend that we meet on Tuesday. I can select any times that I already have in my availability that I would like to recommend to this booker. Perhaps I'm cool with those 3 times. You can select up to 9 times. We could even add in maybe the Thursday as well. You can add in as many as 9 different options into your email. Click Copy Times. In your email, all you have to do is hit Paste. The other beautiful thing is that if the times I've suggested do not work for my booker, there is a button here allowing them to select an alternative time if they prefer. With the YouCanBookMe Chrome extension, managing your schedule has never been simpler. Bring the power of YouCanBookMe to your browser and stay one step ahead and minimize the time spent scheduling meetings with your clients. Start using the YouCanBookMe Chrome extension today. And if you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at any time.